Good morning, guys. The day has come to return our magnificent beasts. Our two little sparks, the sparks of our lives. Time to go give them back. So today, Sophie and I are gonna go give our sparks back, return them, and then we're gonna come back here and just chill. I tell you what, this morning trying to pack up our bags, what a nightmare. Holy cannolis, we need to figure that situation out. We got way too much stuff. Way too much stuff. Anyway, we got them packed. We're leaving our bags here at the hostel. We're gonna go drop the bikes. We're gonna come back. We're gonna hang out at a cafe somewhere nice and just relax this afternoon because we have a train at 5 o'clock. We took the 5 o'clock train. Don't ask why, but we gotta wait till 5 o'clock and then we'll head over to the train station and grab that. So it'll be pretty, I would say, calm day on the video front, so hang in there. Sophie and I just walked past the standard Chiang Mai tourist police checkpoint where they stop all the tourists and get them for not having international driver's licenses. What, the fine is what, $20? 20 bucks. That's like 5 times what you pay to rent the scooter in the first place. So if you're gonna drive in Chiang Mai, make sure you got an international driver's license. Keep an eye out for the coppers because they're out on the streets collecting your 20 bucks.
Years ago when I took the train, I'm sure food was included, but that is not the case. They came around with a menu and it's like 190 baht for like a rice and meat. So we're going to have to survive on it. We don't have many.
These are awesome, by the way, if you find them. 6 baht.
So we'll see. Maybe someone will have food with some fruit or something. Otherwise, we'll have to try and find some street food when we arrive. Not sure I'll fancy that at midnight, but
Alrighty guys, we made it. Nice bathroom here, nice clean, tidy. Taking a little step back in time here. It smells like my grandma's house. Nice big spacious room though. Very nice. What time is it now?
20 past 12.
20 past 12. We just arrived in Phitsanulok. Just got off the train. It's actually from the train station here was very quick. And the guy at the reception was very helpful and quick to get us in the room. But it is time for bed. So we're going to just shower up, go to sleep, because we got a big day tomorrow exploring Super Thai. So, but we made it.